highly requested scalping setup, and this time we're gonna trade Bitcoin. What if I told you that I have achieved more than 70% win rate? Yes, in this video, I will guide you step by step how you can set up the charts and you get the same win rate. So the first thing you need to do is go to indicators tab and you will search for Flux Chart, and you will need only two indicators, SVX, Algo, and the price action toolkit. Click both of them to add to your chart, and after you add it, I will show you all my settings in the end of the video, so make sure you stick around. So we have couple of rules and we have couple of setups. I'm trading on the 1 minute, but you can go up to 5 minutes. These settings and this setup work very well. Alright, so I will give you a lot of golden tips and hints. So the first thing you want to look for is the signals, right? So you need to understand, if this is your first time seeing the Flux charts, don't be scared. It is so easy after you put all my settings. So we got two type of signals. Let's type in, okay? So let's say rules. The first one is you need to get signal, okay? It's strong or normal. If it's strong, obviously it's better. The second rule is you want to look for imbalance. What is imbalance? Imbalance means that the IFGs, FVGs. So what we do is we will just change, okay? It's very easy. Don't be scared. I told you. So you get so what you want to do is you will just change this to FVG or IFG. And the third rule is you want to look for is the order block or the breaker block, and the fourth one is the cloud. Okay, bear with me, it's very easy. I will guide you one by one. So let's look at this recent example over. We got the strong sell signal. With this strong sell signal, you got the breaker block. Before the breaker block, you got the bearish order block. If you don't know what I'm talking about, there is a link in the description where you can learn all these concepts for free. So let's continue. And you got this cloud over here, and you got this imbalances over here, the IFG, the FVG. Simple, right? If you just go back, okay, it will load up and it will show you the recent fair value gaps and the IFG. So we have here a beautiful fair value gap, so we can use. So let's go one by one. We got the signal and it is strong. Awesome. You got the FVG. Awesome. You got the breaker block. Awesome. You got the cloud. It is red. Awesome. You see? All the pieces coming together. All you need to do is just take a short position, roll the market, and let it go, my friend. The first TP has hit. The second TP has hit. You will take a partial right here, and you will take the full TP after you get the full TP over here. So I know what's in your mind, right? Is it so good to be true? Yes. Why? Because I have backtested and found a perfect settings for you guys. All right. So let's look at this example over here. You got the strong buy. The first TP hit, second TP hit. You got the sell, the first, the second, the third TP. Okay? You got the buy, you got stopped out. You got the strong sell, it dropped some, but you got stopped out. It happens. You got strong buy, beautiful. You got strong sell, TP hit. You got the strong buy, TP hit. Sorry, it's a normal buy. Strong sell, TP hit. You got my point, right? Strong buy, sell, crazy. I know what you're thinking. Okay, you see all these signals, I'm telling you, it has more than 70% win rate. And believe it or not, if you have more than 40% win rate with this setup, in the end of the month, you will be closing the month with the green. But there is some important points to filter out, okay, even this small losing one. How you can trade based on the sessions. So we have 3 sessions on the day, London and New York. So what I want you to do is go back in time and do your backtest. Maybe you're gonna trade Ethereum, maybe you're gonna trade gold, I don't know, okay? But you can find your sweet spot. So maybe you can say that after the launch macro, let's say after the 1 p.m., you got the best signal. So you skip the time between maybe the 9:30 to 1 p.m. Okay, you only trade after 1 p.m. That's another strategy. So you can do that kind of stuff to increase your win rate. Maybe you skip Tuesdays, maybe you skip Fridays, possible. Okay, now I want to take you quickly to settings, then I will show you some important points. Now, the first thing you want to change is the trading styles. You want to make it a day trader. Trend length, short term, sensitivity 10. And that's everything you need to do. Now go to price action toolkit, enable the fair value gaps, the inverging fair value gaps, the order blocks, the breaker blocks. That's it. Believe it or not, that's it. Optional, you can enable MTF highs and lows. And after you've done that, just hit the OK button, my friend. Now I want to take you step by step how we execute and how we write our trade. So we got the strong sell signal here, okay? So the first thing you want to look for is what? The signal. And you got it, check. And imbalance, IFG, you have it, check. And you have cloud, okay? So this is also check. Now, the important question, we got only 3 confirmation. You got the strong sell signal over here, and you got the bearish order block. Can I use this Borsa? Yes. Why? Because if you just zoom out, you can see that this candle over here took out this high and created this order block. So after market did the high, it want to do some pullback, and it sounds very healthy, right? Because every up has a little bit down or maybe a big down, but in any case, you will face this pullback. So it all makes sense. You can use this order. So you got a 4 confirmations. But anyway, if you even have the 3, that's okay. You can go with that. Now, I want to trade with you live, step by step, so you can understand how I react to signals and when I'm taking a partials, okay? So here it is. I took a strong sell signal here, and now I'm checking my chart. I got the IFG, I got the cloud, beautiful. 3 confirmations already. And what is left? The order block. So you have here the order block. And look at this. If you just zoom out, you can see that we took out the recent highs with this candle, and this whole price action created this order block over here. Can you use that? Yes. Okay? Because every up move has always these pullbacks. Whether it's a small pullback, whether it's a big pullback, but you always get this pullback. So you can use this order block after you see a sweep of this highs. Easy, right? You just need to use some basic market analysis. Easy. Nothing fancy, nothing hard. Alright, so now I just want to take 5 contracts for the demonstration purposes here, and my full TP will be down here, $1,200, okay? I just want to take a partial around here. Let's see if we hit or miss. So the first TP has been smashed, and I'm looking for the second one. Beautiful. Now we will just took 2 contracts here, and I will trail my stop just above my execution price. Very easy, right? So the original stop loss, you can use definitely this IFG here, because this is the IFG where everything showed up. How I understand? Quite easy, right? So market did a high, took out this sweep over here, and it chop, 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 and we got this breakaway. You see, it's a breakout, right? And this breakout create 2 things, the IFG and FEG. So it is safe to say that if the market comes back here, I am not interested with it. The first option, I'm getting played with the markets, okay? I'm getting like the played out, so I'm quitting this trade. Or what? We're just on the wrong side, okay? So it is okay to take losses. Nothing is 100%. This strategy has around 70% win rate, and I showed you that. I just go back in time and I show all the wins and I show all the losses to you. So now we're just rolling and see if we get the full TP or not. And boom, this is it, okay? Let's go. $1,000 from the one strong sell signal. You already paid for the whole toolkit. Come on, guys. If you still don't have the access to Flux Charts, I'm giving you the best discount ever on the internet. Use code BORSA to get the best discount. So that was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something new today. If so, consider checking and watching these videos over here. And until the next time, see you soon.